Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change all text font in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now we can see here many slides and included some text. Now you want to change the alt text font. Select the font, click and drag on our mouse or the text. Then go to the home menu and we can see here the font. Now I am select the font, click the drop down menu and we can see here many font style. You can change any font style. Now I am select the Arial black, otherwise you can use another style. You can write your font name. Now I am write my font name Impact, then press enter. Now we can see we change all text font very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.